What is up, guys? Grand Theft Master 105 here. And welcome to GTA5, where today we have been receiving reports of what was described to me as Slenderman right there in the construction site. So let's go ahead and go over there and see what's up. Got a flashlight on this one. So let's do this. There's gotta be something odd going on here, because if there wasn't, we wouldn't be getting any reports, would we? We're gonna have a couple floors to cover. Get alive. I'll lose the cops first. Ugh. Okay, sorry about that, guys. The cops always try to ruin everything. Crap. More security guards. I know they're gonna cause me trouble. Now, the only reason why they want me out of here is because since I'm investigating, they think I'm pretty much as stupid as the reporters. They're kind of skeptical about paranormal activity. Especially when you hear sighting of Slenderman in construction site. What? Do these things still work? Hopefully. And I need some way of getting up to the next floor. Probably broken down or something. Sorry. I'm a little hoarse today. Ugh. My voice not working so well. This isn't like the sawmill investigation. We have more activity over at the sawmill. But somehow this place is quiet. Actually, a little too quiet. That's what... Oh god, it's just a stupid train. I heard that noise and I was like, what the heck? About that time I realized it's just a stupid train. Well, whoop-de-doo! Ugh. Man. I'm not liking this so far. I mean, this ain't as nerve-wracking as all the other investigations, but... especially the Funland broker... the broker Funland ghost investigation. That one, the most creepiest. And I had a spot-on encounter with the ghost. Super creepy stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Automatically I hear second footsteps by the time I cross out through here. If you guys hear or see anything that I don't, tell me, alright? And don't point out sounds that are normal, like trains, cars, car alarms, police sirens, that kind of stuff, alright? Don't point that out. Point out stuff like strange noises and stuff. And see if you can't debunk... Pretty sure I saw something over here. Super creepy, honestly. Anyone here? We need to get higher. But how are we supposed to get up higher? Really, no bridges of any sort that we could. Oh, yeah, the one at the bottom. We have to go back down there again? Huh. Am I the only one hearing random footsteps? There's not even nobody on this floor. And they're not even my footsteps. About time I stopped. Footsteps. Heard them. This is whacked out. Ugh. I feel like this is an attempt on my life. Oh, there's no way I'm jumping all the way down there now. I'm taking the stairs. Am I the only one who's heard noises back up here? I heard like metal rattling, that kind of stuff. Uh, it might have came from over here. It's probably echoing or something. I don't know. Something is not right here. But what? That's the question. Something's wrong. But what? What is wrong? Well, now I lost the complete location of the ladder I was supposed to climb. What kind of ladder around here? Where is it? Some kind of thing that'll take me, like, all the way to the next level or something. Oh. Am I the only one who just heard some strange statical noises? I thought I heard strange static noises. The two security guards over here are missing. Strange. Things are starting to get creepy here. Ugh. We don't got long before it's daytime again. So we gotta hurry. Make it to the next level. That way we can investigate there. 'Cause I think we are... Another darn train. For God's sake, do something with your trains. Make them to where they're quiet. Okay. This is what I call next level investigation. Ha! Construction pun. Isn't that also like a video game pun? I don't know. In the comments below, tell me if that was a construction pun or a video game pun. I think it might have been a little bit of both. I don't know. These abandoned floors. Kind of strange. Super strange. Getting even stranger as I go up. How much higher? I thought I saw something there. I don't know if it's just me or I'm losing it today. 'Cause I'm pretty sure I just saw something up there. Okay, keep climbing. Keep climbing. Keep climbing. Okay, this is gonna be a while. Honestly. Ugh. These nuts. I just had to throw in a meme there. Ugh. Can we just call it a day on this? Well, I can't call quits just yet. This is investigation time. Investigation time. Up and up and up. Michael, you don't need to shake your butt for us, weirdo. Ugh, how much higher? Looks like we got this and one more set of ladders. God, finally we're getting to the top. This was taking forever. Whoa, hey, whoa, 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 hey, now. Heard something on this level. Strange. Ugh. Sorry guys if you're getting bored. It takes a minute or two just to get up this thing. Oh god, did I just notice another a set of ladders? Ugh. Ugh. I'm just gonna pause.